I ain't gonna lie though, with the conditioner, you can kind of tell if you go gray. When you start going gray, how you might look. Funny, right? I know. I'm a jokester. And so with this, and because I have not combed my hair in 3 weeks, and because I have not been doing protective styling, I cannot be shocked nor upset at how much hair I'm gonna have in this brush. Not at all. And I'm gonna do some dusting later on. And I might show you guys that. So here we are. We are all combed out. See? No stoppage. All combed out. What's happening? What's good? Hey guys, so I have blowed out my hair and I just wanted to show you. This is the difference between the different types of heat. This is low heat with the blow dryer and the comb attachment, and this is a higher heat on the blow dryer with the blow dryer and the comb attachment. So I'm just kind of showing you guys, this is what you get. This is kind of still in a fro situation, and then this one is blown out to where I would like it for me to braid my own hair, especially because I'm not trying to be here all you know, for hours trying to do this. So I just wanted to come in and show what it looks like, and let's go. So this is it. Both of them are blown out how I like it to be. I don't blow up my hair often. It's only when I have to do like anything that's regarding braids. And yeah, see my gray hair? I have absolutely no problem with my gray hair. And I'm a part of the 5-head crew, so okay, so here it is. Just kind of tuck it in. And that's it. So now all you've got to do is make sure that you oil your scalp. Always oil your scalp before you do a protective style. Any kind of braids or twists, you want to make sure that you go into it with your hair moisturized and your hair oiled. If you are doing it yourself, if you are going to get it done, you can ensure that they oil it for you, or you can do it post service when you get home.